How you doing? My name is Brandon Bier, currently studying here in Aalborg, Denmark. Um, just want to talk to you about my submission entitled Adidas Theory, formed around the concept of a university student, very active throughout his day, needs something to accompany each one of his movements. So whether he's riding his bike, different types of transportation, whether he's running, or even goes to practice, and maybe he can perform in his shoe. Living here in Denmark, handball is very religious, the second most popular sport here in Denmark. So I kind of took inspiration from that, having seen this sport everywhere and everybody playing it. Uh, the multifunction of that sport. Having required to do so many different types of movements, kind of upstarted my inspiration for the design or the base of my design. And the focus in those footwear and looking at the tooling on those designs was the midfoot area, um, uh, energy feedback that it provides, also the toes, and what I wanted to do more specifically in this footwear, place emphasis on the toes and really focus on supplying a greater focus to the uniqueness of the toes. Having played a sport, I think that even the most comfortable footwear, there's a lack of toe emphasis, and I think that supplying that, there's a greater level of performance that could be reached. So what I did was apply an array of fibers that cut across the shoe, maybe cut across to the big toe. So they're more durable here. Then kind of loosen out to the sides, and maybe could be composed of a polymer that contracts and expands, maybe due to heat temperature. So the fibers here will be more closely bound. Then they'll be mounted by a translucent rubber sole, possibly 3D printed on this front portion, allowing them to see the workings of the system, connected with the boost technology here. Then a more stable backside of the shoe, stable heel. Maybe some carbon fiber rising up right there, just allowing the heel to stay in place. Single strap, just to kind of cover the system, keep everything in place. And small pull tab here. The fibers could loosen up, just to give them just a bit of control on what's going on. So yeah, just simplicity, fit, comfort, just to aid them throughout their entire day. So that's the purpose of my shoe. Thank you.